Welcome to the mesmerizing world of penguins. These extraordinary birds, often called the clowns of the animal kingdom, have captured our hearts with their adorable waddle and their incredible survival skills. Today, we're diving deep into their lives to uncover their secrets. From their unique adaptations to their incredible parenting, we'll explore it all. So get ready for 40 minutes of penguin-packed wonder. First, what exactly are penguins? Penguins are flightless birds that belong to the family Sphinicidae. Unlike most birds, they are adapted for life in the water rather than the air. Did you know there are 18 recognized species of penguins? From the emperor penguin, the largest of them all, to the little blue penguin, the tiniest member of their family, each species is unique. Penguins can be found in a variety of climates, from the icy Antarctic to the temperate coasts of South America and Africa. While they all share some common traits, each species has evolved to thrive in its specific environment. Their distribution might surprise you. Penguins don't live exclusively in icy regions. Some, like the African penguin, thrive in warm climates. What makes penguins so uniquely suited to their environments? Their anatomy holds the answers. Starting with their feathers, penguins have a dense layer of overlapping feathers that provide waterproofing and insulation. Beneath that, a thick layer of blubber keeps them warm even in sub-zero temperatures. Their flippers are another marvel. Unlike the wings of flying birds, penguins' flippers are rigid and paddle-shaped, perfectly designed for swimming. Combined with powerful muscles, these flippers make penguins some of the most efficient swimmers in the animal kingdom. And then there's their eyesight. Penguins have excellent vision underwater, allowing them to spot prey in dimly lit environments. Their eyes also adapt to the bright glare of sunlight on ice. Now, let's explore how penguins find and consume food. Their diet mainly consists of fish, krill, and squid, varying by species and location. For example, emperor penguins primarily hunt fish, while Adelie penguins feast on krill. Penguins are capable of incredible dives. The emperor penguin can reach depths of over 500 meters, holding its breath for up to 20 minutes. This ability is due to their unique oxygen management system and reduced heart rate during dives. Once they catch their prey, feeding their chicks becomes the priority. Penguins regurgitate partially digested food, providing a nutrient-rich meal for their young. Penguins lead fascinating lives, marked by courtship rituals, nesting, and raising their young. Many species are monogamous during the breeding season, with elaborate displays and vocalizations to attract mates. After courtship, penguins focus on creating a safe environment for their eggs. Some, like the Adelie penguin, build nests out of stones, while emperor penguins rely on their feet to incubate their single egg. Parenting duties are shared in most species. While one parent guards the egg or chick, the other ventures out to forage. This teamwork ensures the survival of their young in challenging conditions. Penguins are highly social creatures, living in colonies that can number in the tens of thousands. These groups provide protection against predators and harsh weather. Communication is key in such crowded conditions. Penguins use a combination of vocalizations and body language to convey messages. Each penguin has a unique call that allows it to identify its mate and chick. Penguins also display playful behaviors, like tobogganing, sliding on their bellies across the ice. While it looks fun, it's an energy-efficient way to travel. Despite their resilience, penguins face numerous threats. Climate change, overfishing, and pollution are significant challenges. Melting ice and warming seas disrupt their habitats and food sources. Predators like leopard seals and orcas add to the challenges, especially for chicks and inexperienced penguins. Thankfully, conservation efforts are underway. Marine protected areas, anti-pollution laws, and sustainable fishing practices are helping to safeguard penguin populations. Penguins are more than just captivating creatures. They're vital to the ecosystems they inhabit, serving as indicators of ocean health. Their survival is deeply connected to our actions. If you enjoyed this journey into the fascinating world of penguins, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Let us know your favorite penguin moment, or share a fun fact we might have missed. Your support helps us create more amazing content. Thank you.